Gabrielle, and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How have you been?
I've been really good, Attorney Resty. Nice to finally be here with you again.
Nice to see you. Alam mo ba ilang araw na lang at bagong taon na? Ano ba mga preparations ninyo for New Year?
Well, syempre, same as always, spend time with the family, fireworks, kain with the family. So yun, I'm very excited and looking forward to a new year.
Yun. What do you look forward most ba sa 2022 naman?
Well, really just, my work here with GMA, teleseries, and so I'm really focused on that. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Yun. And all is great with your career dahil nga you're part of a new project ngayon, Little Princess. What was your initial reaction nung malaman mo that you're going to be part of Little Princess?
Well, it was really a dream come true. It's unreal. I really love the story, the how everything turns out. So I am so excited to share with you how everything is and how everything goes.
Ano ba yung magiging role mo naman dito?
I'm a kontrabida.
Ooh! Interesting. Nakaka-relate ka ba sa character mo? Do you find it difficult na this time kontrabida ka?
Well, it's my first role ever, so I'm still actually discovering myself, who I am as a character, and I'm still trying to figure out like how I am in the industry. But in terms of character relation, well, Adriana, the character I play, she's actually marketing. She's into marketing. She was a account manager in this firm, and that was also my job. So it was easy for me to relate. But then there's a twist, of course. I'm playing the kontrabida, so she's kind of devilish. It was fun to play. So, abangan nyo na lang.
Excited kami para doon. But how do you get into character? I know na it can be one real life, right?
Well, it's really a mindset that you have to put yourself into, and you always have to be aware that the character you're playing is not who you are. So it's a skill, but it's something I trained for a long time under GMA. So training has been over 6 months.
I'm sure you're gonna do well, Gabrielle. How about working naman with Joe Berry, Roger Cruz, Juancho Trevino? How was it?
Oh, they're amazing. They're such amazing people. They're so friendly. They're so welcoming. They're very understanding, especially since it's my first teleserye. So I consider myself very lucky for being able to work with them.
Is there any advice ba na nabigay nila sa'yo which you think that you can also apply not only for this series but also for your future projects?
Just relax. Just be confident and relax. Be yourself and trust in what you do.
At bakit naman kailangan panoorin na ating mga kapuso ang Little Princess?
Because it's so beautiful. We put so much work into this. This team has put so much work into this, and it will make you laugh, it will make you cry, it will make you very excited. So it's really something to look forward to this coming year.
And we're all so excited and looking forward to your very first series, Gabrielle. So please invite lahat na ating mga kapuso dito sa Mindanao na abangan ang Little Princess.
Don't forget to watch Little Princess only on GMA.
Yun. And how about, saan kanila pwedeng i-follow for more updates naman sa'yo?
They can follow me on Instagram at Gabby Banani, GABBIBANANI, and also Facebook, Gabrielle Hahn Lopez.
Ayun. Thank you very much, Gabrielle. Balik ka ulit dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Thank you.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.